My name is Crystal Stout, and I work for a law firm that actually specializes in reviewing credit reports post-bankruptcy. We look for violations of privacy, and we also look for inaccuracies on the credit reports after bankruptcy. We look for ways that the consumer if something's reporting inaccurately, we look for ways that the consumer themselves can actually benefit from the inaccuracy. So what that means and what that usually qualifies under is, say somebody reaffirmed on a debt in their bankruptcy, and after they reaffirmed on the debt, the credit reports actually after the bankruptcy, after it's discharged, they're actually reporting that they no longer have the account, and it'll say it's zero balance. If that's the case, then you have a right to dispute that account. If they do not correct that error and that information is causing you to be denied a credit card or a loan or an automobile, or say you're trying to refinance, those are all things that we could help you with, and you should seek legal help. Another common violation is accounts that were included in your bankruptcy. As long as they were notified, they should no longer be contacting you. So they should no longer be looking at your credit report after the bankruptcy. They should no longer be reporting balances on your reports after the bankruptcy. Those are common violations. If they look, then that's considered an invasion of your privacy, and you actually can seek legal help for that. Because that could be $1,000 per time that they reviewed your report in your pocket, and the creditor has to actually pay any attorney's fees, so that's not out of pocket to you. All you have to do is show a report showing that you included the creditor or collection agency, and if you included that debt, then and they received proper notice, you can prove that, then it's an invasion of your privacy, especially if they're reporting as an inquiry on your reports. And that's something we specialize in. Another common violation is if you actually surrender an automobile or even a mortgage in the bankruptcy. So you choose not to reaffirm on that debt, and you actually choose to give it back. Sometimes even after the bankruptcy, your credit report will show negative information. It'll show like 120 days past due. If it's a repossession, well, the pay status should show included in bankruptcy. It should not say repossession anymore. It should not have a balance. If it has a balance, then you really need to dispute that, because that's definitely hindering your credit score. And it's probably stopping you from being able to get something. And that's where you have rights, and I really want you to know about your rights. There's a lot of misleading information out there, but you do have rights, and you are entitled to a clean and accurate credit report.